So what we're looking at today is a Google Nexus tablet. Problem with this Google Nexus is that when the charger is plugged into the bottom of the unit, the little power LED at the bottom of the screen, and it blinks 5 times to tell us that there's some sort of issue with the unit. So the reason for this 5 LED error message is to let you know that there is power going to the unit, but not sufficient power to actually bring the unit to life. And actually it's the easiest thing to fix, because you don't actually have to do anything. All you have to have is some patience. So there have been some stories where if you leave the unit plugged in for a good length of time, then that will then power up the unit and it will give it that sufficient enough power to boot. Now that can take anything from about 20 minutes to half an hour, which it did in this case. I have heard where people have had to leave these on for a lot longer than that before the unit actually sprang to life, but eventually it actually did spring to life. And this is exactly what you should be seeing. You should be seeing the little battery icon in the middle of the screen, and it should be showing that it's charging the unit. So in this example, it took a couple of hours to fully charge the unit. I didn't want to switch it on and start bringing it to life while the battery was half full or 25% full. Even though it could have done that, I wanted to give it a good charge and charge it to its maximum so it prolongs that battery life. So providing your Nexus doesn't have any more serious issue going on in the background, what you should see on the screen is it do its business in terms of its startup process. So you'll see the little multicoloured X, and then it will go on from there. That basically means that it's job done and your Nexus is back up and running. I won't go through any more of the details that I went through, which was to test it and update it and things like that, because you can do all that business yourself. This was just to make sure that you knew what to do and you didn't worry too much about the fact that these little 5 LEDs were blinking and you thought that the Nexus was only ever going to be fit for the bin after that. So if that worked for you and it saved your Nexus, please leave a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching, really appreciate it.